As soon as I left school, I started my first job and I saved every penny I made, which made me a multimillionaire, and gave me the life I'd always dreamed of. This statement isn't just false, it would have been downright impossible. The trouble is, many people that want to get rich are falling for the money-saving trap. Why? Because it's exactly what they want you to believe. They want you trapped in a constant cycle of never having enough, so you are forced to work a job you don't enjoy until you've saved enough to retire when you are old and gray. If you want to get rich, then you need to break out of this system. But it's not going to be easy when I say that you have little to no chance of saving your way to becoming a millionaire while you're still young. I'm not trying to crush your dreams, quite the opposite. I want you to accelerate your timeline and start building the life you want now, while you're still young enough to enjoy it. So if you want to become rich, then listen closely, and things will start to become clearer. Part 1, your money isn't real. Would you like to live in a world where all your choices are influenced by someone behind the scenes secretly pulling the strings and conducting your life like some kind of orchestra? Of course you wouldn't. Unfortunately, this is far closer to reality than you might realize. For years now, institutions like banks and governments have been taking advantage of people who haven't been taught how to manage their money, and it's not their fault. The schools just don't teach them this stuff. Saving money gives people the illusion of control. Meanwhile, the banks are making big profits right under our noses. Let me explain. In the past, you were actually able to walk into a bank with your money and demand to exchange it for gold. This kind of makes sense as it's a bit inconvenient to travel around with big blocks of gold in order to buy goods and services. So therefore money was created. This was called the gold standard, but it stopped in 1933, and the US dollar, like most other currencies, became what we call fiat. The money you have in your wallet is fiat money, as it's most likely a government-issued currency that is not backed by a physical commodity. This means that your dollar only holds value because the government says it does, which gives them much more control over the economy as they can decide which rate is printed. So, it turns out that the money most people chase and hoard is a bit like monopoly money. It only has value because the game says it does. To put the icing on the cake, the banks then offer to store your money in return for a measly 0.5% interest, all the while they're using it to generate huge profits. It's no secret the banking is one of the wealthiest sectors. However, it wasn't always this way. They used to be just a place that looked after your money and made a fair profit. However, over the years... Voiceover. Now let's turn the tables. If saving money is a trap, then what's the solution? Enter the world of investing. It's not just for the Wall Street wolves, but for everyone. Investing is the key to wealth accumulation. Firstly, let's talk about compound interest. Albert Einstein once said that compound interest is the eighth wonder of the world. He who understands it, earns it. He who doesn't, pays it. In simple terms, compound interest is the interest on interest. It's the result of reinvesting interest rather than paying it out, so that interest in the next period is then earned on the principal sum plus previously accumulated interest. Over time, even a small sum can grow exponentially through the magic of compounding. Next, diversifying your investment portfolio. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Diversification helps reduce the risk of loss by spreading investments across various financial instruments, industries, and other categories. It aims to maximize return by investing in different areas that would each react differently to the same event. Finally, comes the risk and reward of investing. Yes, investing involves risk, but it's a calculated one. The potential for higher returns comes with a higher risk, but understanding your risk tolerance and making informed decisions can lead to significant gains. So instead of letting your money sit idle in a bank earning minimal interest, why not put it to work? Investing wisely can lead to financial freedom. It's about making your money work for you, instead of you working for your money. It's about taking control of your financial future and breaking free from the illusion of control that banks and governments want you to believe. Remember, it's not about how much money you make, but how much you keep, how hard it works for you, and how many generations you keep it for. So, start investing and take the first step towards your financial freedom. Voiceover. So we've talked about the power of investing, but how does one get started? The key lies in financial education. It's not about being a financial whiz or a Wall Street expert. It's about understanding the basic financial concepts that govern our money and how it works. Understanding these concepts like compound interest, diversification, and risk and reward can empower you to make informed decisions about your money. Financial education plays a crucial role in wealth accumulation. It's the difference between blindly throwing your money into an investment and understanding where your money is going and why. It's the difference between being at the mercy of the market and being able to navigate it with confidence. Financial literacy, which is a result of financial education, can significantly impact wealth accumulation. A study by the National Financial Educators Council found that a lack of financial literacy cost Americans more than $200 billion in 2020. That's money that could have been invested and grown over time. In conclusion, financial education is the foundation of wealth. It's about understanding how to make your money work for you. It's about taking control of your financial destiny and not leaving it up to chance. It's about breaking free from the money-saving trap and the illusion of control and stepping into the world of investing with knowledge and confidence. Remember, the more you learn, the more you earn. So start your journey of financial education today and take the first step towards your financial freedom. Voiceover. Now that we understand the importance of financial education, let's delve into one of the powerful ways to leverage that knowledge: entrepreneurship. Entrepreneurship is not just about starting a business, it's about creating value, and it has the potential to accelerate wealth accumulation. Entrepreneurship allows you to take control of your income and can lead to exponential wealth creation. Instead of earning a set salary, entrepreneurs have the potential to grow their income exponentially based on the success of their ventures. This potential for unlimited income is one of the reasons why many of the world's wealthiest individuals are entrepreneurs. However, entrepreneurship is not without its challenges. It requires hard work, dedication, and a willingness to take risks. But with these challenges come rewards. Not only can entrepreneurship lead to financial rewards, but it also offers the satisfaction of creating something of value, of being your own boss, and of making a difference in the world. Entrepreneurship also has a significant impact on the economy. It drives innovation, creates job opportunities, and can even lead to societal change. By starting a business, entrepreneurs not only have the potential to increase their own wealth, but also contribute to economic growth and development. To conclude, while entrepreneurship might not be for everyone, it is a powerful vehicle for wealth creation for those willing to take the risk. It's about bringing ideas to life, creating value, and potentially reaping significant financial rewards. So if you're looking to take control of your financial future, consider entrepreneurship. It's a path that can lead to financial freedom and a way to make a meaningful impact. Remember, with sound financial education, the entrepreneurial journey can be a rewarding one. So, equip yourself with financial knowledge and take charge of your financial destiny.